Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I built this beautiful countertop egg storage.
Okay, so start by cutting your boards. I used a 6-foot 1x6 here. And then I just started marking where the holes needed to go. So I drew a line down the center and then to each side of that 1 inch off. And then those side lines, I marked every 2 inches for the center of the hole. This stand holds 3 dozen eggs, so there's 18 per shelf. And I'm going to use 2 different bits here. I built a few prototypes and decided that using a spade bit and then finishing off with a Forstner bit was the way to go. So the spade bit, you just want to start right in the center of where those lines meet. And then you're going to go part way through the board, and then you're going to finish it off with the Forstner bit. I just found that there was less splitting out the back, and also the holes were much cleaner. I'm using 1.5 inch diameter here. So a hole saw would also work for this. So once you have one done, you're just going to use it as a template for the other shelf. And clamps are going to be a huge help here. You don't want this board moving around. You want it to look really uniform and clean when you stack these, so that the eggs all line up. And then I'm just going to give it a good sanding. After I went on every edge of the board, I went ahead and took a piece of sandpaper and ran through the holes as well, just to clean it all the way up. I'm going to stain this one. I've also built some by painting it with some spray paint, which also worked really well. And then I decided to pocket hole this. You could also nail it from the outside. I just wanted it to be really clean and easy to finish. I'm marking my shelf placement here using 1.25" Kreg screws. And I love it. It has really made it easier. We were running around with egg cartons in our shelves, but now it can sit right on our counter when we go collect them, and it looks really beautiful too.
Okay, so that's it. A quick, easy build for storing eggs. I also did a 2 dozen egg holder using a 1x4 board using the same method. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.